welcome to the point. I hope and I wish you a good health and good practice also. Okay, I hope you are doing good and practicing well. So first part of the quadratic equation you have already seen and practiced. So this is the part 2, quadratic equations part 2. Okay, so sometimes some tough questions are asked in the exam. So there is a competition, and for every exam which is organized centrally, means all India level, 70 lakhs candidate participate. Okay, so that 70 lakhs candidate you have to make a place. So for making a place you need to know everything. You need to know everything which other student don't know. Okay, so you have to practice well, and tough question also you have to do. Okay, so advanced level of this thing I will tell you now how to solve it. This is the one equation, 2x. Okay, this is the one equation. Next, these are the two equations. Solve these equations and tell those 5 conditions I have already told you. X is greater than y, x is less than y, x is greater than equal to y, x is less than equal to y, x is equal to y, or relation cannot be determined. Among those 5 conditions you have to tell by solving these questions. This equation may look difficult to you, but I will tell you an easy way of solving these equations. At the class level maths you have already done it. Even if you have forgotten it, I will tell you both the methods, short trick method and basic method. So first take the basic method. This is the equation 1. So this 2 factorization, do the factorization. 84, 7, 2 ja 14, 2 ja 7, 2 ja 14, 2 ja 3 ja. Okay, now see, 7 2 ja 14, 2 ja 28, 3 ja 84. Okay, and this is the 2. So if here is root 3, then take this 3 out. If here is root 5, then anywhere if 5 is coming, take that 5 out. If root 3, then you take root 2 out. Okay, now you these numbers are remaining 2 7 4 4. Okay, so out of these you make a factorization so that sum comes 15. Okay, so I will make it 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 plus 7, it will become 15. Okay, so how will you write the equation? I will write here 2x square minus 8 root 3x minus 7 root 3x plus 84 is equal to 0. Okay, now take common 2x, x minus 4 root 3 minus 7 root 3 common, x minus, then again 4 root 3. This will come 7 4 ja 28, 3 ja 84. Correct, is equal to 0. Now x minus 4 root 3, 2x minus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 4 root 3 and 7 root 3 by 2. This 2 will come in the division. So these will be the 2 root of x. 4 root 3, 7 root 3 by 2. Stop here, don't solve further because we have to solve this equation also. If root 3 comes in both the roots of by, then we can cancel it out for the comparison. Okay, so don't solve. Now take the equation number 2. Here 3, root 3 is there. Make the factorization. 3 into 3 into 3. Same way, root 3 is here. Take 3 out. Okay, then 9 remaining. 9 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, so 3y square minus 9 root 3y minus root 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so take common 3y by minus 3 root 3 by minus 3 and then root 3 common by minus 3 root 3 equal to 0 by minus 3 root 3 3 by minus root 3 is equal to 0. So 2 root of the by will be 3 root 3 comma root 3 by 3. Okay, these are the two roots of by. Clear? Clear up to here? Any doubt? If any doubt, watch the video again. Now for comparison, root 3 is here, root 3 is here, root 3 is here, root 3 is here. So this you can cancel it out. Root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3. Further simplify. 4, 3.5, here 3 and 0.3. Okay. Now I have told you the comparison method. Each root will be compared to this. Okay. So compare 4. 4 will be compared to 3 and 0.3. 3 and 0.3. Then 3.5 will be compared to 3 and 0.3. Okay. So this is greater, this is greater, this is greater, this is greater. So the answer of this question is x is greater than y. Whatever is appropriate answer, you can tick it, but the answer is x is greater than y. If you practice this equation, I have taken a lot of time. Okay, so sometimes tough questions are asked in the exam, and if you know basics, then trick will not work, and if you know basics, you will be able to answer this question. There have been asked in maths question, out of 50 candidates could not make even 15 questions. You have plenty of time, and if you know basics, you can solve at least 15 to 20 questions, and those 15 5 marks extra will take you to the merit list. Okay, so now I will take you this to the short trick. Okay, so just I am rubbing it here. You have already done up to here. So 8 into 7, 8 and 7 root 3 root 3. From here we have done it. Then divide by this number. These are the roots of x. Then again by roots of by. What we have taken? 9. 9 1. Then divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, 1 into root 3. So 3 3 cancel. Here 2 4 ja 3.5. Here 3 and 0.3. Now same way, no need to solve this equation. You can directly take the answer from here and compare the roots and take the appropriate answer. In 30 seconds you have practiced it well. Okay, so it is a matter of practice. Long question can also be solved in a very short time by appropriate practice, and if you know the correct procedure. But the problem is that you should know the correct procedure. Don't get into the trap, because questions are not repeated in the generally IBPS exams. Okay, there will not be any repeated questions, so blindly you don't take it. Do some work and then you answer the question. Okay, so I will take you to the another question. Okay, right question. X square x square plus root 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Other equation is 2y square plus 9 root 5 by and plus 50 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. Same way you have to solve these equations and tell whether x is greater than y, less than y, greater than equal to y, less than equal to y, equal to y, or relation cannot be established. You have to answer this question. Now this may be the tough question if you have not practiced it, not solved it. Okay. So we'll do it this time. I will do it by the trick. Okay. So 10 is to 1. 1 here and into 10. So root 5, 10 means we can write here 2 into 5. Okay. So root 5 is here. In previous question I have already told you, take this root 5 out. So 5 is out, here remaining 2. So minus sign is here, so 2 will come here and minus 1 will come here. Okay. So division में root 5 minus 1 into root 5, there is nothing in the division. So for taking root, the sign will be reversed. Okay. So root of x will be minus 2 root 5 comma root 5. These are the two roots of the x. Now solve the roots for y. So 52 into 2, 5, 5. 2 5 is 10, 5 is 50. Okay. So take this 5 out. Then out of these 2, we have to make 9. So 2 2 is 4 plus 5 will be 9. So 5 and 4 root 5 divide by 2 divide by 2. So for the taking root, here is plus sign, so roots will be minus. So root of the y will be 5 root 5 by 2 and 4 root 5 by 2. Now see, here root 5, here root 5, root 5, root 5, everywhere is root 5. So root 5 can be cancelled. Okay. It will be cancelled when there is a root same thing everywhere. Otherwise it will not be cancelled. Now simplify 2, 1, these are the roots of x, and roots of y, 5 by 2 means 2.5 and 2. Okay. So this will be minus. These roots will be minus. So minus, minus. Now compare. 2 will be compared 1 and minus 2. Then minus 2.5 minus 2.5 will be 1. So 1 will be compared with minus 2.5 and minus 2. So here it is greater than, equal to, here greater, here greater. So the answer will be x greater than equal to y. Okay. So answer will be x greater than equal to y. Here see the comparison again. Don't do mistake after solving this whole process. If you are doing mistake here, then all the labor you have put in, that is in waste. Okay. That will be wasted. So minus 2, 1. So first compare minus 2 with both these things. Minus 2.5, minus 2. So greater than, equal to. Minus 2 is greater than minus 2.5. Reverse number if you go, then minus 2 is greater than minus 2.5. Okay. So now 1 is greater than minus 2.5, 1 is greater than also minus 2. So correct answer is x is greater than equal to y. Okay. So I think now it is clear how to solve this type of equation. One more easy question is asked like this, that I will take now. Okay. X square minus 2 into x plus 2 root 5 is equal to 0, and the y equation is 2y square minus 6 plus 3 root 5 by plus 9 root 5. Okay. These are the two equations. You have to solve it, and the same process you have to take the roots. Okay. So one easy process, it is given just because inside the bracket you open the bracket and take common, the equation will be solved. So for first equation you take x minus 2 minus root 5x plus 2 root 5. Okay, nothing you have to do here. X minus 2, 1 is common, no, x square 2x, then x is common, x square minus 2 minus root 5 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2, x minus root 5, x is equal to 2 comma root 5 will be the roots of x. Okay, so I think you now have idea. Here roots will be 3, 6 comma 3 root 5 divided by 2. Should I solve it for you or you do it? Okay, so one I will solve you, other question you practice. Okay, so from here take this thing, 2y square minus 6y minus 3 root 5 by plus 9 root 5 is equal to 0. Take 2y common, by minus 3 root 5, then by minus 3 is equal to 0. By minus 3, 2y minus 3 root 5 is equal to 0. So root of the y will be 3 comma 3 by 5 by 2. Okay. So now see here the difference. Here there is nothing common. Root 5 is not common. Root 3 by 5 is not common. Okay. So we can directly write it here. I have already told you these will be the roots. You know, you don't need to solve the question also. Just I am telling you to learn the basic. Here you can directly write the roots. Okay. 6 by 2, 3 root 5 by 2. This, so 6 here it has come 3. Okay. Now you compare the equation. Okay. So 2 is less than this also, less than this also. Root 5 is less than this and less than this. Okay. Correct. So the answer is x is less than y. Okay. X is, otherwise you can compare separately 2, 3 root 5 by 2. So it is less than here. Then root 5, 3 root 5, 3 root 5 by 2, it is less. Okay. Root 5 value 2 point something will come, it is 3, and here it is already 1.5 into root 5, it is more than this. So the answer will be x is less than y. So these both things, this type of question is asked generally in mains exam, and it is very easy. If it is given in this form, then it is very easy. Directly you can write the roots, and the first form you can do multiplication, factorization, and write the roots directly. Okay. So the next one thing is remaining. If cubic equation is asked in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Some 1 or 2 exam this type of question is asked in cubic equation. This cubic equation I will teach you tomorrow. Okay. Till the time you practice this type of equation, and if you practice lot, then no trick required, you can easily do it. Okay. Thanks a lot. Practice well.